Here are instructions for going through the KYC, Know Your Customer process. To begin, you select your account type. You will then be taken to the main page of the KYC process, where the first step is to confirm your identity. Please read the rules and click Start so that the identity verification screen appears. Click on the Generate Link button and then scan the QR code with your smartphone's camera to open the link in your phone's browser. On your device, select the country and type of document you will be identifying yourself with on your smartphone and give your permission to use your device's camera. The next step is to take good quality photos of the front and back of your ID document and take a selfie, a photo of your face. In your computer browser, check that your personal details are correct and confirm them. You will receive a notification that your identity has been successfully verified. From this point, you can make your first deposit to the zondacrypto exchange and start trading. There are only 2 steps left to complete. Enter the declarations and select your country of birth. Then answer the questions, select the required clause and submit the questionnaire. Return to the KYC main panel and select Confirm Address. Enter your address details. You will then be asked to send a confirmation document. To do this, select the type of document from the list, review the conditions you want it to meet, and upload a high-quality photo or scan of the document. Press the Send for Verification button. Congratulations! You have completed the KYC procedure. The time taken for zondacrypto to validate your documents is a maximum of 90 hours. Once your account is fully verified, you can use the complete possibilities of our exchange.